Hello my dear students, this is Ranita. Welcome to my channel Let's Solve with Ranita. In this video, I am going to solve question number 11 to question number 20 from exercise 3B, chapter Share and Dividend. See, this is the last part of exercise 3B. I have already created a video on core concept of share and dividend and I have solved exercise 3A and 3B first part. If you missed this video, check my channel. See question number 11. Company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each. So number of shares, nominal value of each share, 8% annual dividend. So rate of dividend, so since nominal value is this one, so dividend per share or each share, dividend on each share, rupees 5. Okay, dividend on each share, that is rupees 5. So what is the total amount of dividend paid by the company? Total 50,000. What should be annual income if a man who has 72 shares, number of shares 72, that implies annual income 72 into 5. This is annual income. Okay, now he receives only 4% his investment. So investment return percentage, that is now let his total investment rupees X, then 4% according to the question, X into 4 by 100 is equal to 360. Okay, so X equal to, if you calculate, you will get 9,000. Okay, so that is total investment. Okay, now you have to find out market value of each share. So market value of each share by 72 his number of shares. Okay, so it will become 1 to 5. Yes, so it will become 1 to 5. Okay, this one will be the answer. Now question number 12. A lady holds 1800, that is number of shares. So number of nominal value is 100 rupees shares, that means nominal value of each share of a company that pays 15% dividend. Now annual dividend, so see, nominal value of each share is 100 rupees, that means dividend will be, dividend of each share rupees 15. Okay, number of share is this one, so total annual dividend, total dividend or annual dividend, 15 into 1800 rupees. So this is the, calculate her annual dividend, this is the answer. Okay, if she had bought these shares at 40% premium, market value of one share, that is 100 plus 40, 40% of 100, that means 40, so 140. Okay, 140. What is the return she gets as percent on her investment? Okay, so you have to find out return percentage. So return percentage, that will be on market value obviously. So 15, that is dividend, by market value into 100. Your answer to the nearest integer, it will give you 10.71 something. Okay, so nearest integer will be 11. Okay, so this will be the answer 1 and answer 2. Okay, now question number 13. See, a man invested this one, so total investment in a company paying 6% per annum, rate of dividend. Rate of dividend is when its 100 rupee shares can be bought for rupees 140. Okay, so here nominal value of each share 100 rupees and market value of each share is rupees 140 bought for this one. So okay, so from this two statement what we can write, dividend of each share, that is rupees 6. Okay, now from this two statement what we can conclude, number of shares 1 1 2 0 0 by, so annual dividend, this one is annual dividend, answer of question I. Okay, I under 13, this one, and his percentage return, see his percentage return on his investment. Okay, return percentage, dividend 6, market value 140 into 100. Okay, so this obviously percent, so this will be percent. Okay, so this two will be the answer. Now question number 14. Mr. Sharma has 60 shares of nominal value 100 rupees. So that means nominal value, number of shares 60, sells them when they are at a premium of, okay, 60% premium, 60% premium, and he sold. So that means he okay, write down, just sells shares, money obtained by selling, see 60% premium, that means 160 rupees, number of shares is this one, so obviously 60 into 160, so it will be, this is money obtained by selling the shares. Now that is the proceed, that is the sales proceed. Okay, you can write here, that is sales proceed. Okay, the number of shares he buys and his annual dividend from the shares. Okay, so in case of second case, total investment, that is rupees 9,600, this one sales proceed. Okay, now in that case 50 rupees is the nominal value of each, quoted at 4% discount, that means market value will be 50 minus 50 into 4 by 100, so that will be rupees 48, this one will be 2, 50 minus 2 will be 48. Okay, now number of shares, that will be total investment by market value, total investment sales proceed, this one 9600 divided by 48, so 200 will be the answer, number of shares. So this is the answer of question number 2, this one. Okay, 200. Now annual dividend from the shares, dividend is how much, 18% dividend, 18% dividend, rate of dividend 18%, so rate of dividend 18%, so total annual dividend 18 by 100 into nominal value, that means 50, into number of shares 200. Okay, so finally you will get 1800. Okay, that is annual dividend. Okay, so there are 3 questions, one answer of one is this one, answer of 2 number of shares, that is this one, and last one is this one. Okay, question number 15. A company with 10,000 shares, number of nominal values, declares annual dividend of so calculate the total amount of dividend paid by the company. So total amount of dividend, see nominal value is this one, rate of dividend is this one, that means dividend per share rupees 8. Now so total calculate total amount of dividend paid by the company. So total, that will be 8 into 10,000, that means 80,000. Okay, this is the answer of question number I of 15. Okay, now Ramesh had bought 90 shares. Number of shares and of the at okay, market value of each share rupees 150. Okay, calculate the dividend he receives and the percentage of return. So there are two questions. Dividend Ramesh receives. Now return percentage of Ramesh 8, that is dividend, by market value 150 into 100, this percent. Okay, 5 and a 1/3%. Okay, see question number 16. See the question, which one is the better investment, this one or that one? Now see, whenever you are comparing two investment, you have to find out return of each case. Okay, and then you have to compare the return percentage, then you will get the answer. See case number 1, 16%, rupees 100 shares at rupees 80. So from here we can write rate of dividend 16%, nominal value of each share 100 rupees, market value of each share 80 rupees, and dividend is 16 because rate of dividend 16% on 100 rupees. Okay, so return percentage will be 16 by market value 80 into 100. Okay, 16, that is dividend per share, by market value per share into 100. Okay, now 16, so 5, so 20%, return is 20%. Okay, in case of case number 1, return percentage is 20%. And now case 2, see rate of dividend 20%, rate of dividend 20%, nominal value same, market value of each share. Okay, so dividend of each share 20 rupees, rupees 20. So return percentage equal to 20 by 120 into 100. So see this, in this case return percentage is this one and this one is in case of 1. So obviously case 1 will be the better investment. Okay, 16%, that one, first one will be the better investment. Now see question number 17. A man has a choice to invest in 100 rupee shares of 2 firm at this one or that one. Okay, so here also we are going to compare two investment. Okay, so in case of first one, case 1, nominal value NV of each, market value of each share is rupees 120, that is given, and the first firm pays dividend. So rate of dividend 5%. Okay, per annum. So dividend of each rupees 5. So return percentage 5 by, see, dividend by market value into 100. Case 2, nominal value of each share, market value of each share, rate of dividend, dividend of each share, and return percentage in this case 6 by 132 into 100%. If you calculate, it will be, so from here we can conclude that second one is better, see which company is giving better return. So second company is giving better return. If a man invested this money with each firm, how much will be the difference between the annual return from the two firms? Okay. So if a man invested this money to first firm, the number of shares will be 26400 divided by 120. So it will be 220. So total income 220 into 5. So it will become this rupees in case of first firm. Now if a man invested rupees 26400 in second firm, then number of shares will be 26400 by that 132. It will become 200. Okay, 200, number of shares 200. So total income from this company or this firm will be rupees 200 into 6, right? See, in case of second firm, dividend of each share is rupees 6. So 200 into 6, so rupees 1200 obviously. So the difference will be, hence see, they have asked how much will be the difference between annual returns from the two firms. So hence the difference is rupees 1200 minus 1100. So it will be rupees 100. Okay, rupees 100 will be the answer. Now see question number 18. A man bought 360 shares. So number of shares 10 rupees shares of a company, 10 rupees shares, that means nominal value of each share equal to rupees 10, paying 12% per annum, that means rate of dividend is 12%. Okay, so dividend per share 12 by 100 into 10, this rupees. Okay, now see, he sold the shares when their price rose to 21 per share. That means he sold the shares at the price 21 each. Okay, and invested the proceeds in another investment. So that means money obtained by selling shares at rupees 21, that will be rupees 21 into 360. So that will be rupees 7560. And his annual income in this investment, annual income, this one into number of shares, rupees 1.2 into 360. So if you multiply, you will get rupees 432. Okay, now see second investment. So investment proceed, that is rupees 7560. Investment proceed is equal to 7560. Okay, now see, in case of second investment, 5 rupees shares paying 4.5% per annum at rupees this one. That means this one is market value, nominal value of each share. Nominal value of each share is 5 rupees. Market value of each share is rupees 3.50. Rate of dividend 4.5%. So dividend per share. Now you have to find out number of shares he bought in case of second time. Okay, so number of shares, that will be, see, total investment proceeds divided by market value of each share. So rupees 2,7560 by rupees 3.5. So you will get, if you divide it, you will get 2160. That is the number of shares. So annual income from this case, 2160 into 0. This one, dividend per share into number of shares. So in case of first one, you have got this annually this return, and in case of second one, this return. So income increases. See the question, find the annual change in his income. Annually his income increases rupees 486 minus 432 equal to rupees 54. A man sold 400 rupees 20 shares of a company. So number of shares, nominal value of each share rupees 20, paying 5% at rupees 18. Okay, so rate of dividend, market value of each share, sold at market value, this one. So investment proceed, that will be equal to money obtained by selling this shares. So it will become 400 into 18, that is this one. And annual income, the annual income is 5 by 100 rate of dividend into market value into number of shares. Four hundred will be income, annual income in case of first case, first investment. Okay, now investment proceed, that one, that means in case of second case, total investment is this one. Okay, so next part, see, he have invested in rupees 10 shares, that means second case. In case of second one, nominal value of each share rupees 10, another and company is paying 7% dividend, rate of dividend 7%. Okay, and market value. So annual income in this case. Okay, in first try to find out number of shares here, number of shares, that will be total investment, that means that investment proceeds, that is rupees 7200 divided by 12. So it will be 600. Okay, 600 will be the number of shares. So annual income will be 7% of this, this is the nominal value, and into 600. Okay, so if you multiply, you will get rupees 420. Okay, so what was the change in his income? So income increases. In case of first one, income was rupees 400, and in case of second one, income is rupees 420. So income increases rupees 20. Okay, now see the last question. Two brothers A and B invested, in case of A, total investment, rate of dividend at rupees 80, 100 rupees shares at 80, that means nominal value of each share, market value of each share. So dividend of each share, that is rupees 3. So total annual income, first you need to find out a number of shares. Okay, so number of shares, by 80, 200. So total income, annual income or total dividend 3 into 200. So rupees 600. And in case of B, okay, so in case of B, see B buys 10 rupee shares at par. That means nominal value at par means nominal value of each share is equal to rupees 10 rupees shares. So rupees 10, that is equal to market value of each share. Now see, suppose rate of dividend, let rate of dividend is R%, okay, R%. So number of shares 16,000 by 10, obviously 1600, okay, and annual income R by 100 into nominal value, that is 10. This is dividend of each share, and into this one, that is total income. So this is total income, and this is equal to the annual income of A. So that means according to the question, this one is equal to 600. So R is 600 by 160. So rate of dividend in case of second, find the rate % of dividend received by B. So rate of dividend of B is 3.75%, okay.